My name is Dr. Bobby Price. I'm an implant dentist here at Tree Dental Limerick. The options whenever someone comes in with a missing tooth is you have 4 choices. 1 is do nothing. As a dentist, I would not recommend leaving the space as is. 2, which would be the traditional way, would be a denture, which are becoming outdated now because they're uncomfortable, which leaves you then with a bridge or an implant. Implants and bridges are compared because they both provide a fixed option to replace a missing tooth. A dental implant consists of a crown and a screw. The crown is the part of the tooth that you can see in your mouth, and then the screw replaces the root of your tooth. A dental bridge is basically a crown hung off another tooth. They can be 2-unit and 3-unit bridges. The pros of bridges are there's a quick turnaround. It only takes about 4 weeks from start to finish. Cons of bridges are it requires that you go at a very healthy tooth in order to restore a missing tooth. Pros of dental implants are they act standalone, they don't affect the surrounding teeth. An implant is the closest thing that you can get to a natural tooth. Cons of dental implants are a little bit longer in terms of healing process and how long it takes to get from start to finish. Durability wise, implants and bridges are pretty similar. Budget doesn't really affect the choice between an implant and bridge so much because they generally come in at the very same cost, with sometimes bridges being a little bit more expensive. In some places in Ireland, implants can cost €3,000 to €4,000, whereas at Tree Dental, our quotes start at about €1,500, working towards about €2,100. Bridges, I've seen quotes from €3,000, whereas at Tree Dental, they're roughly around €1,800. With an implant, you come in, we only look at the site where you're missing the tooth. The next day would be placements, and then we need to wait about 3 months. With a bridge, we prepare the tooth that we're working on, put a temporary cap on it, and we need to wait about a month before we're finished. Deciding between a dental implant and a bridge is a discussion you need to have with your dentist. If you're considering replacing a missing tooth, you can book a free consultation on our website, treedental.ie.